Join me for a few rounds of downward dogs and planks and some variations. Let's start off by going into plank pose and exhale to downward dog, lifting those sitting bones up and just straddle the feet. And breathing into plank, breathe out downward dog, breathe in plank, breathe out downward dog, breathe in plank, breathe out downward dog, and just keep going. Use your breath. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. One more. And breathe out. Well done. This time breathe into plank and let's bring right knee towards left, right elbow, left knee towards left elbow, and just keep going. Well done. Hold your plank. Move into your downward dog. Just hold the downward dog. Breathe. Just feel your lower abdominals drawing in and upwards. Feel the thumb and the first finger pushing down into the floor. And just feel your body as you hold in this downward dog. And let's breathe into plank. Breathe out downward dog. Breathe in plank. Breathe out downward dog. Breathe in plank. Breathe out downward dog. Breathe in. Breathing out. When you breathe into plank, pull the tummy in, the lower abdominals, and then exhale to downward dog. And breathe in, draw the lower abdominals in and upwards. Exhale, downward dog. And let's do one more. And exhale, downward dog. And hold your downward dog and breathe. Well done. Bring your knees to the floor and then just sitting on your heels. Okay, good job. Well done.